I'm going to show you guys how to build a really easy, cheap pallet workbench in 60 seconds. Alright, so I'm just cutting this piece of wood to match the top of the pallet. Pallets are a little bit different. You're gonna have to do this yourself, but mine's about 6 overhang on each side, and it also depends like what kind of wood you put on top, or if you just want to leave the pallet. So now I'm just gonna screw this in. We're gonna put the legs on and the base. So ideally you want another same size pallet, but since I don't have two, I'm just using this little piece of wood I got here, and I'm just cutting it to be the same size and to kind of make my own little pallet. Now that we have our two pallets done, I'm going to go ahead and cut our legs at 31 inches. I'm gonna put on these 6-inch caster wheels, and I'm gonna include 1 inch for the top to get a final height of 38 inches. There's our 4 legs. So now we're going to screw on our legs here. Alrighty, so once you have your legs attached to the top half, all you gotta do is either have someone hold the bottom up here for you, or put some boxes under it, and then we're just gonna screw it in. There we have it. The bottom is attached to the top. Now let's just screw on our wheels. I'm just using some old bolts and washers for these wheels here. I'm pushing them all through. Put a washer on the wood side and a nut. You want to make sure you tighten them up nice. The wheels are looking a little special here, hanging off, so I'm gonna screw them all on, and then I'm gonna use the Sawzall and just cut off all the extra so it's nice and square. Bringing out the real tools now. Just a little better than Ryobi. Good enough. There we go. Let's flip her over and see what she looks like. Oh, a little bit dangerous, not gonna lie. A little bit dangerous. There we go. Pull it all in here. Alrighty, there we go. Fits nice. It's a good height. It's a good hip height for me. I mean, you might want to adjust it for your own height, but we have a shelf here, kind of. A little shelf on the bottom, and obviously you can customize that as much as you want. Put in whatever you want. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned how you can make a free tool bench out of things you probably already have laying around. I will see you guys next time. Make sure to like and subscribe. Adios.